Catch? Oh no, you get a cookie. Can't catch. Can I catch,
After
Jaden?
your cookie's all done. Puts cookie down immediately. You missed? That's okay. You can miss once in a while. Even
Good
Uncle Sean
throw.
misses once
Can
in
you
a while.
catch? Catch it.
Jaden,
Okay.
Jaden.
You gotta share your time with your uncle, okay?
Turns.
Jaden, get up and go for the ball.
Ready, Jaden? Ready.
You gotta sit up straight.
Colby, it's Jay's turn. Awesome. You got it. Good.
Now throw her back to Uncle
Good,
Sean.
put your hands on it.
Oh. Oh.
Jaden, you gotta share your time with him. There's two of you and only one of him.
Whoa, nice one. Jaden,
Catch it.
try it again.
You got it.
Oh, he did
Throw
it!
it back. Throw it back to Uncle Sean. Throw it really good. Oh, not that way. You have to throw it this way. Hey, Jay, throw it this way. Over. Well,